Hello guys, welcome back to Genie. Today I'm going to show you how to fix camera not working in Google Meet video calls on PC. If your camera is not showing in Google Meet or Chrome is blocking camera access, this is usually caused by browser permissions. First, open Google Chrome. Now click the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left side, click Privacy and Security. Now scroll down and open Site Settings. Under Permissions, click Camera. Make sure the correct camera is selected from the drop-down menu. If you're using a laptop, this might be your built-in webcam. If you're using an external webcam, select that one instead. Now make sure the option sites can ask to use your camera is enabled. If Google Meet is listed under blocked sites, remove it from the blocked list. You can click the trash icon beside it, then open Google Meet again and allow camera permission when the pop-up appears. Next, go back and click Microphone. Make sure the correct microphone is selected, and also make sure sites can ask to use your microphone is enabled. Now reopen Google Meet and join the call again. When Chrome asks for camera and microphone access, click Allow. If it still doesn't work, close Chrome completely, reopen it, and try again. That's it. Your camera and microphone should now work properly in Google Meet. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Genie for more quick tech fixes.